to another episode of your Digi Hustle News. As always, I'm Wade Teamer. We're going to start this day by talking about crypto.com, ladies and gentlemen, because after crypto.com and Silvergate enabled institutions to buy and sell with USD, they have now purchased Nadex and Small Exchange from IG Group for 216 million, guys. And this one is going to be highly interesting to US customers and holders of crypto.com. But that's not all I got for you in this video, guys, because a lot of you have been asking about a specific token, especially from the CRO community. That token is VVS Finance. Guys, in this video, we are going to go into VVS Finance's back room and see what it is all about. Now, it's a very interesting story about this VVS Finance. I'll tell you that once we get to it. But let's get started with the news. Crypto.com to acquire Nadex Small Exchange from IG Group for $216 million. Guys, this is massive. Crypto.com, the Singapore based crypto exchange, said Wednesday that it had agreed to buy North American Derivatives Exchange and Small Exchange from London based financial services firm IG Group for $216 million to expand its presence in the United States, guys. So simply, this move is going to put crypto.com much on the same level as FTX, guys, because FTX, remember, is the other derivatives platform that we have exposure to here in the United States. Now, IG owns 39% of Small Exchange, which has been previously received backing from Interactive Brokers Group, Phillip Capital, Jump Capital, Citadel, and Peak Six Investments, according to Crunchbase. The deal is expected to close in the first half of 2022, subject to regulatory approval. Crypto.com will use the acquisition as a gateway to trade certain derivatives and futures products for US based customers, guys. This is going to be so massive because it's going to add another market to crypto.com's ecosystem, guys. Derivatives, if you don't know, is a very, very liquid market. Okay, very liquid market. Now, Nadex, just a little background information on the two acquisitions they made here. Nadex is the Chicago based online exchange and clearinghouse offering retail focused derivative products on some of the major global markets. Small Exchange provides small, simplified futures products also for retail investors, guys. So it was just very interesting. As a matter of fact, one of you guys made a comment about when were they going to, show more love to their US based customers. Well, turn around the corner. That's exactly what we get, guys. So that is massive for crypto.com. The updates keep rolling out. And keep in mind, guys, with Silvergate enabling institutions to buy and sell crypto with USD, and then we get the derivatives move. Yeah, they're setting up for something very, very nice in 2022, guys. Very, very nice. So now let's move over to VVS Finance, guys. This is a very interesting token, and I'm gonna tell you why. About a month ago, okay, well, not even a month ago, we'll say 3 weeks ago, this token was listed on crypto.com, and my brother, he immediately got to me and he said, "Hey, I found a new one, another low cap gem, man, called VVS." Now, when he said the name, I immediately thought diamonds, and of course, so did they. But when he mentioned the token to me, I was like, okay, right away, I'm gonna get a little bit because he's been on point this year when it comes to the low cap gems. So after that, guys, then I started to notice, we had the whole crypto.com run up, and a few of you were asking about VVS. So this is all coming together in a very unique way, guys. So I was compelled to do some digging. And that's exactly what I did, guys. And what I found is very, very interesting. So, simply put, guys, as you can see here, VVS token is a DeFi protocol. Okay. This is the first DeFi project to come out of the Chronos ecosystem. And one thing that I really like to see is information like this. This is readily available, guys. So, what we'll notice right away is Wrapped CRO being the top token. Okay. What wrapped CRO essentially means, guys, is this is a wrapped version of the CRO coin from, on the CRC20 blockchain, I believe it is. Now, with VVS token, this is the DeFi protocol that essentially connects it to Ethereum. Okay. This would not have been possible without that Chronos upgrade. Now, another thing that I find very interesting is when you look at the top pools, guys, CRO is the top pool right behind USDC. So, and then you look over to the right here, guys, we have the liquidity, 120 million for CRO, 98 million for USDC, and even more for ETH and wrapped BTC. But what is important to take away from this, guys, is what VVS Finance is doing. It is bringing DeFi to crypto.com. Simply put, it's bringing DeFi to crypto.com, guys. Now, we're going to go into the explainer a little bit just to get the formal background. And this is courtesy of docs.vvs.finance. But simply over the past year, guys, we've seen massive growth in the decentralized finance ecosystem, pioneering new models for individual financial autonomy and opportunities. We love DeFi and are humble farmers ourselves. However, to newcomers, DeFi can be intimidating. Coming from a deep product design background, a team of humble farmers got together, determined to build DeFi products for our aunts and neighbors, with the goal of bringing amazing protocols to the masses. We are excited to introduce you to VVS Finance. The VVS token is our platform's native token. It is a utility, governance, and reward token with applications throughout the VVS platform. This next list is a list of their core features. They have a swap, they have farming, glitter mines, and initial gem offering, which is set to come soon. That's how we'll discover new projects in the Chronos universe. But the bling swap, guys, is essentially what you'll see with Uniswap or 1inch, stuff like that. Staking your tokens, stake your LP tokens to receive VVS awards. We value the platform and patronage. Glitter mines, stake your newly earned VVS tokens to receive more VVS. So this is simply, guys, VVS token is the DeFi protocol for crypto.com built on Chronos. So as far as where I can see this token going, it is very early. It is very early on, but as we know, it is attached to a behemoth. So there's no denying that, guys. I am interested in the token. I did get me a few of these. The price is very, very substantially decent, to say the least. It is very decent right now, guys, under a penny still. Okay, but we've seen how these DeFi platforms can catch traction and catch steam really fast. And especially if they're connected to an even larger blockchain that already has established customers, community, and liquidity. So, really going to be watching VVS Finance, guys, over the next few months. And of course, we're going to keep our eyes on crypto.com. But as far as this video goes, guys, that's all I got for you. We got some more information coming out later today, as well as the Audius Artist Spotlight, guys. Is going to be premiering tonight at 6 p.m. Nyoka Naidi was a very great conversation, guys. And of course, we're still taking submissions. So if you're an artist on Audius, feel free to send me an email. And of course, everyone can reach me. You can get to me on Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff, guys. But you know what I'm going to tell you at the end of every video? Have a great day. Have a prosperous day. But most importantly, we making this money. I'll see y'all in the next one.
Back in this bitch like I never left. You heifers scoring, couldn't help myself. I've been off exploring the deepest cliffs. Changed my tune, now I hit with a different grip. Consciousness shift, you can feel the shit. This world going digital, I've been Da Vinci. I'll give them a chance to catch up a bit. Let them come off of that dummy shit. I'll be advancing and talking pips, taking trips and working on